Everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Do not adjust your screens. My shirt is this bright. Self-proclaimed Chernobyl salmon because of the nuclear fallout. No? All right. Well, today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Link, all against USD. We're going to look at the daily charts on all three, and then we're going to look at support and resistance levels that we need to break either way. And then we're also going to do an update on the Gaussian channel on those three. So let's go right to it. If you liked the video today, give us a thumbs up. Or you can do it right now and be a rock star. You can hit the thumbs up button right now. I'll wait. If you're new, subscribe to us if you like this. We jump right in. We don't have anything to promote. I don't have any commercials. Let's go. Bitcoin USD. Plain and simple. We're looking for a daily candle close below 31.5. If we do that, we're likely going lower. On the upside, 40K. 40K. If we close above this red line, that is our 200-day moving average, 200-day EMA. And we've gotten rejected off of it so far 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count as well. On the other hand, this yellow line, any guesses? Someone can guess it. It's the 21-day EMA. So far, lately, we're holding it as resistance. We're coming down back to this level. We can wick down under it. It's fine. We want to have a daily candle close at 31.5-ish or higher, because otherwise we're making a new candle body close for the local low, and that would likely lead us to lower prices. Plain and simple. Let's go to Ethereum. Then we'll come back. ETH. All right, we're in a downtrend. This is a parallel channel we have drawn. Okay, downtrend, right? Obvious. That's why we draw the parallel channel, so it's obvious to see a downtrend. What can we look at next? Well, we want to look for signs for reversal of this. So far, we're making some nice upward movement, but we have to look for a reversal like this, right? You start to turn these lines around, see the channel? So imagine the channel starts turning. Turning a little more, we start making an uptrend in this direction. So if we come back down, if maybe we start holding this and reversing this downtrend channel, that would be what you want to look for. You can see how that would kind of play out, right? So the channel starts reversing, and then you start making higher lows and go back the other way, break this top line, and then this channel's gone and you're back in an uptrend. That's what you want to look for on Ethereum. Levels? Well, we're already moving on the daily. So let's remove these. You can't get a whole lot about this on the daily because you're already above your top moving average of the 21-day. So you can go to the next chart up, the 3-day chart. This is going to be pretty clear resistance for now. Current price, let's check it. $2,400 roughly. This will slowly taper off as we progress, so depending on what day we hit it. But if we start closing daily candles above 2,400, yeah, I would expect a more prolonged uptrend. Let's go to Link. See what we got for our Linkies. We had this drawn in a previous video, our downtrend rate. Loosely, we want to make sure you don't have any candle bodies above this. Wicks are okay. Candle bodies, no. Now you might say, well, what about this one? Well, this is today's candle, but you want to draw it. That's as good as you could get it right there. Now you can have, this could end up being a wick, right? Because we closed here, still under it. We are now open the next candle here. And now our prices is currently just above $18. So if we come down, we scusi. We want to hold the 200-day EMA moving average, currently 1670-ish. That'll remain pretty constant, but we're coming down kind of to a squeeze here on the 3-day. If we go to the daily, drop down a little bit, you can see we've actually started closing above it so far, but only one candle. You have to have 2 candles to reverse a trend. So far, we don't have it, and now we're back under it. We closed yesterday's as a pretty kind of a bullish candle on the daily chart. Again, daily is not going to be as strong as a weekly or a monthly kind of chart. But this candle is pretty bullish because you have people push it up, even though it's red. Almost a Dragonfly Doji. Good job. But now we're down again. So we'll see where we close today. We still have over 10 hours. Depending on when you watch this, you may already know where this closed. If we close under this trend line, we're likely going back down. We want to watch for, again, just like Bitcoin, a daily candle closing at 1685-ish or higher. If we start breaking that, that would be a new local daily candle low, and that would likely send us back down. Where back down? I'm glad you asked. I would put this on the monthly, and we look at our 21-month EMA right here. We've wicked to it twice already. Let's remove that stupid trend line, and now hopefully we can hold it for a third time. Where is the 21-month? Right now it's just shy of $16. So if we come back down and we hold this again, now again, we can wick down here. Okay, fine, whatever. Who cares? Monthly close, we want to hold this for sure. Monthly close, we got to hold this 21-month. We've never been closed below it since it's been in existence. We opened here, we closed up here. We wicked below it a little bit. We looked below it a little bit up here. So if we wick below it, who cares? We close above it. Odds are we do. That's my opinion. Not financial advice, but I don't see this breaking ground under here. That's highly unlikely, in my opinion. Link is too strong. We've been low for long enough. We're ready to go back up the other way soon. Now this is monthly, so I'm not saying the next 5 minutes Link's going up, but the next 30 days, sure, I'll go with that. All right, let's put it on the 5-day and revisit the Gaussian channel in reverse order. We will take that off. We will put that on, and we will take that off. Gaussian channel for Link on the 5-day. You want to use your Gaussian channel on the 5-day. It's just more concrete moves, less fake outs. It's just the most reliable going back. You can use it on any day, but this is the most reliable on the 5-day. That's why the 5-day. Okay, plain and simple. So we held support on this week candle. The last 5 days previous, right? June 25th candle closed under it. Now we're still closing under it. We're still pricing under it. We have to get this candle in 3 days, 11 hours back up above 2050-ish, 2024. Really, you can see the moving averages here as I move my cursor. See, the middle line is the first one, the top line is the second one, the bottom line is the third one. If we close again under here, we would likely in the next several weeks sometime probably test the bottom. That doesn't mean we're going to 1295, okay? That means this channel, you can see the trajectory moving up, right? We're going to continue to slowly move up. So, and if we do hit this, it might be another month or so, and we could be, above 15 even, right? So we could just trend sideways. It's not like we're going to drop straight to it, right? That is not usually how it works. But odds are, just playing the odds, just the facts in the charts, not my opinion, based on previous moves, based on history. If you close multiple candles below the median line, you're likely going to revisit the bottom. That usually represents the buying opportunity of a lifetime on any coin ever. If you're at the bottom of a channel, even slightly under it, within 6 months to 12 months, you're going to look like a rock star. History doesn't lie. Any coin, go look at it on the Gaussian channel at the bottom. If you're buying, who cares? You're going to be a rock star in the not so distant future. This is why bear markets can make you rich. Bull markets make you money. Bear markets make you rich. People just don't realize the opportunities they're given because there's fear everywhere. Everyone thinks prices are always going to keep going down. And the smart money will look for these kind of signals, and they'll buy the hell out of it, and you'll just get caught sleeping, and then you lose out on your max ROI. It's not about buying the true bottom or selling the true top. It's about buying near the bottom and selling near the top. That's how you make money. So that's Chainlink on a tangent. Let's go look at Ethereum and see what it's done. We're still above the damn channel, okay? Ethereum's still quite bullish. Let's remove this. But, well, let's put it back on. Let's be indecisive. 1552 is our top line currently, but as you can see, this is going up even stronger So you can imagine that if we interact with it, we'd want to hold it as support. It won't dip like that. I can't draw very well with yellow crayons on TradingView with the mouse. It just doesn't work very well. But just pretend that this line continues, right? 1552, as you can see, maybe be like maybe 2000. Maybe we run into it at 2000 towards sometime in July. I would go with that. Ignore the yellow crayon. But Ethereum's better than most. Most coins are already in this channel. As you can see, even Link. Bitcoin's even in the channel. Let's go look at Bitcoin. Not much to look at on Ethereum Gaussian channel because it's above it. Okay? Bitcoin, alphabetical order if you haven't noticed. Bitcoin still holding the median line. Great sign. Currently the 32.6. I was looking at the middle line. It's not how you do it. I just told you how to do it, and I didn't do it. Middle line, top line, bottom line. That's how it goes. Middle line, top line, bottom line. Remember it. Don't do it like I did and confuse yourself. So we want to hold this middle line. So far, so good. 3 weeks, right? 5 days, 10 days, 15 days. Each candle is, you guessed it, 5 days. We held the top line until we didn't. We broke below it. You're likely going to the middle line. You can go back in history on any coin. It just happens time and time again. Gaussian channel can make you a lot of money if you follow it. If you see us breaking up towards this and we break back outside of this channel and we close 2 candles outside of this top, it's likely we're going up. Plain and simple. However, history has not been so kind after we've entered the Gaussian channel. We usually stay in it for quite some time. But as I said before, buying at the bottom or slightly under, rockstar within 6-12 months later. Doesn't matter where you buy. Even if you bought right here, $6,000 Bitcoin, would you have hated yourself a year later? No. Even if you went down here, who cares? You're not even losing that much money, even on severe capitulations. This is why if you have a severe pullback, but you bought at $5,000, do you really care? You're still well up, right? This is how you continue to make money and you continue to not get so fearful or panic so much, right? Because a lot of people panicked when they saw these prices dipping, right? You probably did. We all did, right? But the lower that you buy, the less, yeah, it sucks to lose that much money. But if your average is $5,000 in Bitcoin because you bought at or near the bottom of the Gaussian channel last bear market, then you're still okay. So keep that in mind on coins that are near the bottom of the Gaussian channel. Buying opportunities, not financial advice, just my opinions based on the charts, based on history, based on facts. I'll stop with the chatter. But right now, Bitcoin is good to go in my book until we fail to hold this. Now, we haven't failed to hold it yet, but wicks, sure. Until we close a candle body under here, there's no warning signs. That would only be a warning sign if you close one candle body. Remember, you have to have two candles close under, and then you can be confident that you're going down lower. And if we do, now, we might not do that for months, right? We could be August, and the bottom could be at 32K. So you got to remember that as well. It's not like we just drop like a stone to the bottom of the channel. So keep that in mind. Ask me any questions below if you have any. If you want to see your coin charted with this, let me know. If I get more than 5, I don't have that many followers, so if I get 5 people asking for the same thing, I'll do it. I don't care. No, don't create 5 accounts just so you can request something. All right, car of the day. It's kind of weird. It's gonna be weird. It's a Lego car, but it's not built yet. We just got it. I think it's new release from Lego, so it's pretty cool. The Koenigsegg Jetsko. It's not very big, but pretty nice looking. Look at the back. You got the real car. Well, that's the back. That's the real car. Look at that thing. I think they start around roughly 3 million, so give me 2. Pretty sweet cars, though. Koenigsegg Jetsko. I hope to build that maybe this weekend. I'll have it out. We'll do the model next week, maybe. We're getting going. We got the Ferrari one, remember? Maybe get bonus. We did this one last week. The Ferrari, same size as this, right? So they'll be racing. All right, have a great one, guys. It's happy first of July. Let me know what you're doing for the 4th. Do you do anything crazy? I got a bunch of fireworks. I'm gonna just upload a picture. Maybe tomorrow, Friday. I'll put a picture up on my story channel or whatever you see. I don't know. It's somewhere. I forget what it's called. I'll put a picture on YouTube of my, I think it's like 8 feet tall, however many fireworks I got. It's a bunch. It's going to be great. Maybe I'll record it and we'll upload some snippets or something. But that's it. We got 15 minutes in now. This is this bright. However it looks bright as hell in the damn thing. We got neons everywhere. Neon green, neon blues, neon salmons. Chernobyl salmon. That's the new color. Maybe I'll paint my supercar this. Yeah. Kind of like it. What do you think of this shirt? Too bright? Too crazy? I don't know. All right. Have a great day. July 1st. It's going to be a great month.